What's the difference between itertools.combinations and permutations? Let's find out with a tournament. First step is to import itertools. To understand the difference between combinations and permutations, we will not let them fight. They will be the tournament style. We create a tournament function. Of course we need participants. That will be a list. We could need 2 more optional arguments. N will be the number of participants in a match. Usually that's 2, but who knows? Maybe you plan a Royal Rumble. The last argument is a boolean. Contestants may fight each other once or get a rematch. In that case rematch would be true. Okay, what's next? If there are fights we need scores. We'll keep track of each participant and their wins. Tournament version 1 offers rematches. It's everyone against everyone twice. Itertools permutations takes 2 arguments. An iterable, that's the list of participants, and an integer. Permutations combines the iterator items, our participants, to all possible matches between n of them. Without rematches our tournament will be quicker. Combinations takes the same 2 arguments, an iterable and an integer. Itertools combinations generates all possible matches between n participants. Combinations could organize a boxing tournament. It doesn't care if boxer Sven Ironfist is in the red corner, Michael Soft Punch in the blue and vice versa. It does not matter. But in football or chess is different. It does matter who is white or black in chess, or whose team is hosting the football game with the support of their local fans. In such cases permutations is your caring tournament organizer. A for loop will run through all matches. Each match will have a winner. How to decide? Well, that's up to you. We'll do an easy example. Whoever wins gets a point. Finally we get the champion by sorting the scores and announce the result. Here we just print the ranking. Okay, example time. I'm rather peaceful. I want to find the champion of muffins. This is what ChatGPT thought were the most popular. I already know who's Michael Soft Punch in that participant list. Let's run it. My decide function is basically the input function and simply asks, which one is better, A or B? A, of course. This continues with every possible pair of muffins. I'll spare you to witness each increasingly hungry decision. Okay, we have a result. The Muffin Champion 2024 is Banana Nut. Bran can pick up their participation trophy and is very relieved there were no rematches. Well done. Your first tournament. Python Bake Off. I hope you now have an idea about the difference between itertools permutations and combinations. Reuse this code to rank your favorite movies or prioritize tasks on your to-do list. If you do this with permutations, it is called procrastination. Enjoy. Before you watch the next video, hit that like button and subscribe to support a muffin addict and fellow Python user.